Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing a pair of wireless earbuds which was sent to me by Slitinto. Alright, so let's take a look at the product first before we actually unbox the item. Alright, so we can see from the website here, it's called the Slitinto Bluetooth headphone. Alright. Yes, IPX7, wireless earbuds, Bluetooth 5.0, stereo. Alright, sound premium, deep bass headset with mic. Right, this is actually currently in Amazon. Right, the code name is called F17. It's matte black. It's in here, by the way. Right, so you can take a look at the pictures here. Right, fast charging, right, one-step pairing, touch control, right, ergonomic design. Let's go further down. All right, uses Bluetooth 5.0. It's IPX7, which means it can stay submerged in water for up to 30 minutes, like the earbuds. So further down, let's see if we have anything. Alright, it's lightweight, smart control, oh nice. Okay, triple tap to switch a song, double tap to pause and play, press and hold 2 seconds to reject call, triple tap to activate series, one tap on the left or right to volume up or down, and then double tap to answer or hang up a call. Alright. Okay, so over here it also talks about pairing. I mean, we'll go into that a bit later. We'll test it out. Right, yes, total of 38 hours, and then it has 8 hours of battery on a single charge, which is very nice. Okay, Bluetooth 5.2, ergonomic design. All right, it has a stamp, as you can see from the design itself. Right, it has in the picture here, you can see that there's different sizes of silicone seals, which is very nice because it actually allows the users to actually mix and match as much as they can to get the most optimal fit. It has 10mm drivers to deliver hi-fi bass surround sound. Right, it makes you feel like you're in a concert ground. Wow. Okay, over here is just some more of the shops. Okay, cool. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. So first and foremost, you'll see here it says TWS Plus, True Wireless Earbud Plus. See here, left and right separation. It says hi-fi, high quality, long time use, charging box attached. Nothing much at the back. It says made in China, and then here it says the package you'll find is earphone, charging case, earplugs, micro USB cable, and the specifications. Alright, so let's get in. First up, as you see, earbud. It's actually USB, it's not micro USB, it's actually USB-C cable. Alright, let's put it aside. Let's see what's under here. Lighting out, you'll see a charging cable, USB-A to USB Type-C. Different sizes, large, medium, small. What else? Sponge, not user manual. Wait a minute. This actually looks very similar to another earpiece which I have, CKFN F18 ANC wireless earbud. This one, the user manual looks very similar. Right, so let's get into this. So you can see here, please remove the protective film. Okay, we'll get into that a little bit later. There's an LED light on the front, Type-C charging port. So at the top of the curve is the multifunctional touch control. There's an LED light. Right, there's a talking microphone at the bottom of the stamp, and then there's a charging pogo pin. So pairing is pretty simple. Start up and shut down, power on, power off, the controls for incoming call, for music, we'll test that, and this also for the voice control like Siri. You're recommended to use a maximum 5 volt. Alright, so do take note, use a 5 volt. Alright, power adapter. That means you can't really use it with your smartphone. Those very high-end type reducers like 30 watt, 60 watt, 65 watt, 100 watt. Please don't use that. It will actually spoil the wireless earbuds. Here's to give you some of the LED lights. Here's also another thing is do not put the earbuds in the carrying case when they are wet. Right after gym session, it's best that you dry them first and then put it back into the case. The packing list. Okay, is there a carabiner? There's no carabiner. Correct disposal of product. FCC statement. And it's in another language. I'm not too sure what is this language. For those of you who know, do let me know. So, what you get in the packaging? The box, the earbuds casing itself, charging cable, different sizes of ear tips, the silicone seal, and the user manual. Right, let's put all this away and let's get into the main thing. So first off, the design of the case is actually matte finishing. No logo, which I like it, very simple, right? There's a groove in the middle, easy to open up the lid. Right, and there's a hole here. This will be the LED light, USB Type-C charging port at the bottom. So the entire case of the F17 reminds me of the Jabra Elite 85T. So the case looks very similar, but the top and bottom, the side as well. Right, let's do the scratch test and see. Anything here? Not bad. Let me rub it off. So far so good. Okay, so let's open the lid and you'll see the earbuds here. Alright, so let's take out the earbuds. Okay. So you'll immediately see that the left side, okay, so there's an indication, left and right. You'll see that the left earbud will start to flash green and blue LED light. So this probably indicates that the left side is actually the master and the right is the slave. This triangle area you see here, this is actually the touch controls are. And then if there's a close-up, right at the bottom, you'll see a hole here. This is where the talking microphone is and the pogo charging pins. Right, the side view of the head. Okay, it's actually different from the F18. So the black is the F17, the white are the F18. Alright, so you can have a look. I'll take up the left. You can have a see. Alright. The very different. Alright, you're able to differentiate them. Okay. The stamp. They're equally short, but it's just that this one is a bit rounded. The F17 is a bit more round, whereas the F18 is flat. Let's put the F18 away and back to the focus of this video, which is the F17. So let's take out the silicone seal and let's look at the ear tip. Okay, so you can see here, it's a pretty short ear tip, and I think that is like plastic mesh covering it. Yeah, plastic mesh covering it. Okay, put it back. Feels great, matte finishing as the case. You can see here. Right, let me zoom in a little bit more. You can see that this one is actually matte finishing as the case. So next, we're gonna move on to the Bluetooth pairing. We're gonna try a few things to see whether does it have like quick pairing, etc. All right, so see you in the next part. Right, so in this segment, we're going to be doing a test on the Bluetooth pairing. So I have with me here is my own iPhone 12 mini. I'm already in the Bluetooth manual. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to activate the Bluetooth on my phone. And this is the F17. I'm going to open the lid to see if it has quick pairing. Ah, there we go. It has quick pairing, F17. And it's connected. Wow, it's really fast. Okay, besides that, let's go into the eye. There's no hidden menu, very simple. Device type, I'll just choose headphones. I'll go back. And the other two in iPhone is just disconnect and forget this device. So over here, we can see that the F17 comes with quick pairing. You can just initiate the Bluetooth pairing simply by just opening up the lid. You don't need to take out the earbuds. Pretty simple. So we're going to move on to the next segment, which is actually to test the touch controls. Alright guys, welcome back. So in this segment of the video, we will be testing the touch control on the earbuds. So first off, we're going to be doing the touch control for music. I've opened up my Spotify. Alright, so first up, I'm going to be doing on the left. This is the left earbud. Yep, so you can see the volume decreasing on my iPhone. Okay, double tap, play. Let's see, double tap again, pause. Let's move on to the right. This is the right earbud. You can see the R indicated on the stem. Pause. Double tap, play. So in the next segment, we're going to test it out on Siri. Alright, so for this segment, we're going to be testing the voice assistant. So for the iPhone, it's actually Siri, and how to work it, you need to be on the main screen, on the right earbud. You can see here, right earbud, and then it's a triple tap. There you go. Hey Siri, how are you? Hi there, I feel good. Thanks for asking. It worked. Alright, cool. Alright, so over here you'll see that I actually have a USB-C cable. So let's see what happens when we plug the charging cable in. So immediately you will see a red light pop up at the front of the charging case. Let's open up the lid and see what happens inside. There's actually no indication on the earbuds itself to indicate whether is it charging or not. Okay, so let's take out the earbuds, see what happens. Alright, so when you take out the earbuds, the case is still on red LED light, so it means that it's actually charging up the case. So this is right, you put it back to right. It's left, put it back to left. Okay, no LED light. Right, let's go. Okay, so now it's actually kind of like changing to orange. See, this is red, and then when I close the lid, it becomes orange. Interesting. Alright, so let's see what happens when I leave it to charge until it becomes full. Alright, so after charging the earbuds of the F17 for about 2 hours, the LED light on the front is off, so this is to indicate that it is actually fully charged. Alright guys, so for this segment of the video, I will be testing the sound quality of the F17 wireless earbuds. I have Spotify open on, so now I'm going to wear the earbuds. Okay, I'm wearing them. And the first song. Okay, as you can see here, it's pretty low volume. Okay, the audio is pretty loud. Wow, the bass is good. I can feel the deep bass at the beginning of the song. Okay, here comes the test. It's good. Enough for her. Okay, let's move on to the next song. Usually it's this one by Timbaland, The Way I Are. Wow. Okay, so let's up the volume a little bit more. Wow. Wow, I can really feel the bass kicking in. Right, wow, very good. Oh my god. Wow, this is good. Okay, so let's go on to the next one, which I always like to use, titanium. Because there's a lot of vocal, right? Vocal singing. Right, it's very front, very clear, right? Okay. Wow, the bass is kicking in. It's good. Right. Okay. That's good. Right. Okay. So, wow. The earbuds are really good. I mean, so far, right? But of course, having said that, over the next couple of days and weeks, I'll actually be putting the F17 wireless earbud to more tests, right? I'll be using it as my daily driver. And of course, if you wish to actually check out the full review, do remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And that's all the time we have. My name is Johnny, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.